How can you win Social Security disability benefits for musculoskeletal disorders? Hi, I'm Mark Whitehead, a board-certified disability attorney and author of the disability help book, The Social Security Disability Puzzle: How to Fit the Pieces Together and Win Your Claim. When you apply for disability from the Social Security Disability Insurance Program, one sure way to maximize your chances of winning benefits is to meet the Social Security Administration's definition for a specific type of disabling impairment. This is known as meeting the listing. A listing is a predetermined set of medical criteria that is considered disabling if the claimant meets or equals all elements of the listing. If a claimant is not working and meets a listing, they don't have to prove that they can't work. They're automatically considered disabled. One of the most common groups of impairments that the Social Security defines as a disorder is musculoskeletal system disorders. These definitions are found in sections 1.02 through 1.08 of the Social Security listings of impairments. The definition for these types of disorders is fairly broad and encompasses a large number of issues. Some of the most common include things like bone or joint destruction or deformity, disorders of the spine, amputation, fractures, and soft tissue injuries. How does one acquire a musculoskeletal disorder? There's no one way to get a disorder of the musculoskeletal system. For some, their genes are to blame because the disorder is hereditary. Others may be born with it, or it appeared within the first month of their life. And still others can start to suffer from a musculoskeletal disorder due to acquired pathological processes. In other words, it's a disease that you just happen to catch. How do musculoskeletal disorders become impairments? There are plenty of people with musculoskeletal disorders who can live full, happy lives with proper care. Unfortunately, that's not the case for everyone, and something may cause a person's disorder to become an impairment where they lose the ability to function normally. How does this occur? Once again, there's more than one culprit. Impairments can occur due to infections, toxic diseases, traumatic events, inflammatory processes, developmental events, and degenerative processes. Whatever the reason behind the impairment, what it boils down to is that someone with a musculoskeletal disorder suddenly can't live and work like a healthy person anymore. They've suffered from a loss of function, which is something we'll discuss far more in detail in the next post. If you're suffering from an impairment stemming from a disorder of the musculoskeletal system and you think you should qualify for Social Security disability benefits, it's vital that you speak to an attorney as soon as possible. If you have more Social Security questions, check out my free ebook, The Social Security Disability Puzzle: How to Fit the Pieces Together and Win Your Claim. Visit www.disabilitydenials.com for a free downloadable copy, or call 1-800-562-9830 to discuss your particular disability issue. I'm Mark Whitehead. Thanks for watching.